In this episode of Code Unveiled, we will take a look at puzzle number 5 from Advent of Code 2023 called If You Give a Seed a Fertilizer. Before viewing this video, we encourage you to try solving the problem independently. Let's take a look at the problem description. The gist of it is that we are given an almanac, a list of seeds and a list of maps. Each line within a map contains 3 numbers: the destination range start, the source range start, and the range length. Any source numbers that aren't mapped correspond to the same destination number. The last map determines the location of the seed. We are asked to find the lowest location number that corresponds to any of the initial seed numbers. In other words, we are asked to apply all the mappings to the initial seed numbers and find the minimum of the result. First, we parse the input. We get a list of seeds and a list of maps. Then, for each seed, we try to find a range within a map. If there is a source range for our seed, we transform the seed number into the destination number. If there is not a source range, we leave the seed unchanged. After all of the maps are applied to the seed, we update the lowest location we found so far. In the second part, we are told that the seed numbers are actually ranges of seed numbers. We recycle the code for input parsing from the first part. The only difference is that we sort the ranges by the source start in ascending order and transform seeds into seed ranges. Then we transform each seed range. One seed range can be transformed by multiple source ranges and therefore be split into multiple ranges. In the map seed range function, we take all the map ranges for a single map and find the overlap between the seed range and the map range. We take advantage of the fact that the map ranges are sorted. If there is an overlap, 3 things could have happened. There might be a seed range part before the overlap, which we leave unchanged and put to the output list. There is the actual overlap we have to transform to the destination range. Finally, there might be a remainder of the seed range, which we have to check against the following map ranges. In the end, we take the final seed ranges, which now contain location ranges, and loop over them to find the minimum starting point. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.